In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play As It Was by Harry Styles. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. In this world, it's just us. You know, it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. You know, it's not the same. Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you have your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, there's a chord chart available for As It Was, which you'll find exclusively on my Patreon page. So click the link in my description box below and get a hold of your chord chart today. And finally, I want to thank Enya Music for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase this incredible concert-sized Nova ukulele, which by the way is made out of carbon fiber, so it's very sturdy, travel friendly, it's not going to warp in different weather conditions, and it comes with a bundle such as strings, some picks, a strap, and other accessories which will enhance the way you play this instrument. So grab a hold of this model today. Click on that link in my description box below. Hope you check out the concert size Nova ukulele for yourself. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play As It Was. And those chords are C major, A minor, D major, and G major. Now, if you already know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is D major. To play that, just take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. And the last chord for the song is G major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. Now we're going to learn the strum pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Let's play through that strum pattern now on the C major chord. 1 and 2 and C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. By the way, if you want to learn more about how to chuck on the ukulele, then check out my How to Chuck ukulele tutorial. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C major for 2 turns of the strum pattern, A minor for 2 turns, D major for 2 turns, and then G major for 2 turns of the strum pattern. Let's combine those elements now and play it all together. 1 and 2 and C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, A minor, go, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, D major, go, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, G major, go, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. And now let's play the chord progression and the strum pattern a little bit faster. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, up, down, chuck, A minor, go, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, D major, go, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, G major, go, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strum pattern, let's combine it with the lyrics and play through As It Was. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding me back, gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that? Nothing to say when everything gets in the way. Seems you cannot be replaced, and I'm the one who will stay. Oh, oh, oh. In this world, it's just us. You know, it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. You know, it's not the the same as it was, as it was, as it was. You know it's not the same. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for As It Was. And that's you play As It Was by Harry Styles. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to thank Leolani Kaululau for supporting me on Patreon, which allows me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe to access your chord chart exclusively on my Patreon page, and check out this next tutorial so keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.